Hi, hello to everyone. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from quadrilaterals of ninth class. Okay, the question is in a quadrilateral ABCD, CO and DO are the bisectors of angle C and angle D respectively. Prove that angle COD equal to half angle A plus angle D. So, first let us draw the quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means what? Quadrilateral which have four sides. Okay, so this is a quadrilateral I took. A, B, C and D I took. Okay, and here it is given CO, DO are the bisectors of angle C and angle D. So if you take here O, this is OC, this is OD. This is angle COD. And this what? This total angle is bisected. Means this is the half of this total angle, right? So you can take this as half C, half angle D. This is half angle C, half angle D you can take. But from what we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equals to 360 degrees. Sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. And from triangle COD, what we can say? We can say that sum of angle O, that is COD plus, here this is not exactly C, this is half of the C. So half angle C plus half angle D is equals to 180 degree. So angle COD plus, I took half common here, half into angle C plus angle D is equals to 180 degree. So angle COD is equals to 180 degree minus half angle C plus angle D. But from this equation, from 1, what we can say? We can say angle C plus angle D equals to 360 degrees minus angle A plus angle B. Okay, now substitute this value in the place of angle C and plus angle D, which implies angle COD equal to 180 degree minus half into 360 degree minus angle A plus angle B, which is equals to 180 degree minus 360 by 2 minus into minus plus half into angle A plus angle B, right? This what you will get 180 degree minus, this is 2 in 360, 180 times. So 180 degree plus half angle A plus angle B. So these two get cancelled because of the opposite signs, is equals to half angle A plus angle B. Therefore, angle COD equals to half angle A plus angle B. Understood how to prove? Okay, if you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.